Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 4.5 millimeters. I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 61. After we chain 61, on the second chain from the hook, I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through this next chain, 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. And by the end of row 1, we should have 60 half double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1, then right there through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain, 1/2 double crochet. So for this row, we'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each half double crochet chain. And again, by the end of row 1, we should have 60 half double crochet. So for the pattern, we repeat row 2. We repeat row 2 until our work measures 3 inches. How many rows we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 rows now. For row 8, I'll turn my work around. And then I'll chain 1. Now through his first half double crochet chain and through his second half double crochet chain, I will decrease. Now through his next 2 chains, we'll make 2 half double crochet. It's a decrease as well. We will decrease again through his next 2 chains. Decrease through the next 2 chains. Decrease through the next 2 chains. So we'll decrease through every chain throughout row 8. By the end of row 8, we should have 30 half double crochets. Now for row 9, I'll turn my work around, and then I will chain 1, through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. We'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 9, and for row 9 as well, we should have 30 half double crochets. For now, I'm just going to chain 1. I'm going to let this be because I'm not sure if I want to continue this or not. But I'm going to join these 2 sides from the wrong side. This is the wrong side. I'm not going to continue this. I'm going to just chain one and cut this yarn and weave these ends in. Oh, I forgot to say in the beginning of the video, I thought I said cotton, but I think I said yarn. This is cotton. Never made house slippers with cotton. So these are the first one. I think it would be better if I use yarn, but I just picked this one because of the color. I still like how they turned out though. It's just that if they had been a yarn, they wouldn't have these spaces in between. Cotton tends to have these spaces in between. So this is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.